Good morning, students. Take out your English book. Open page number 44. S family blends. Okay, today we will learn about SK sound words. SKY, sky. Skip, SKIP, skip. Skirt, SKIRT, skirt. SM sound word, SMOK is smoke. SMELL, smell. SMASH, smash. More words with S family blends. Skin, SKIN, skin. SKULL, skull. SKATE, skate. SKILL, skill. SKY, sky. SKID, skid. SMALL, small. SMOG, smog. SMART, smart. SMILE, smile. SMOOTH, smooth. SMUG, smug. Okay, read aloud, understood, and memorize these words.